see it now? Can you send? Oh, perfect. You guys are there? Okay. Happy Wacky Wednesday, even though this is Tuesday. We're filming ahead. The production line is taking too much time, girls and boys, so I have to film before. So I'm on a bicycle ride with Marlena. Look at this, and Nazmeen, and look at the, oh my God, I'm so strong. We decided to go for a little bike ride, and we stopped by Dairy Queen for a slush. I'm not really sure why they stopped for a slush at Dairy Queen. At Dairy Queen, you get ice cream. And we made new friends along the way, keeping a 2-meter distance. We met Alfonso and Cheryl, which was really fantastic. Girls and boys, don't forget that tomorrow is Thursday, June 18th. And it is our virtual field day, so please use some ideas that we posted on Monday. If not, get some ideas of your own. Get outside into your backyard, get wet, have fun, stay hydrated. Send me a video or a picture by Sunday, and we can celebrate our, there are children running all over the place, and we can have our virtual field day on Thursday, June 18th. Also, the last thing I wanna know is I want you guys to vote for top show. This is mainly for the grade 6s. Vote Nazmeen for Brooklyn Nine-Nine, and vote Marlena for The Office.
No, wait, dude, you're on The Office.
Or vote me for The Office.
Sorry.
No, it's all good. You're famous now, so it's all good. Okay, girls and boys, have a great day. Get outside. Marlena, where are you?
I'm here, but I don't want to stand too close.
Excellent. You're 2 meters there. Have a great day, everybody. Au revoir.